Thank you for purchasing 7RIM's multifunctional streaming, podcasting, recording audio interface 7Caster SE2. Next, we will introduce the 7Caster SE2. Please decide what to watch based on the progress bar underneath the video. Open the 7Caster SE2 box. You've got the SE2 audio interface. Take out the audio interface. There is the instruction bag and the included cables. The instruction bag contains user manual, warranty card, certificate. The cables are two 3.5mm TRRS to TRRS audio cables, USB-C to USB-C, or USB-A 2-in-1 audio cable, USB-C to USB-A charging cable. The cables are labeled to make it easy for you to understand their intended purpose. Now to introduce its components. The rear side panel ports are in order. An input 1 is XLR and 6.35mm composite input interface for connecting a XLR microphone. A 48-volt phantom power switch when a condenser microphone is connected to the XLR, and 6.35mm composite input interface. You should turn on the 48-volt phantom power. An instrument 6.35mm input interface for connecting guitars, basses, and other instruments. An input 2 is 3.5mm TRS input interface for connecting a 3.5mm microphone. An aux 3.5mm TRS and TRRS input interface for connecting phone or computer to an external audio source. A speaker 3.5mm TRS output interface for connecting speakers to output audio signals. Two out1 and out2 3.5mm TRRS output interfaces for connecting to phones, tablets, computers, and other devices for live streaming or recording. A USB-C interface is used to connect a phone, tablet, computer, etc. to input and output audio signal for live streaming or recording. A DC 5-volt charging port allows you to connect the device to the power bank or DC power through the charging cable for charging. A Bluetooth switch, push to turn on or turn off Bluetooth function of SE2. A power button, long press to power on or power off the SE2. There are two 3.5mm TRS and TRRS monitor ports on the front side of the SE2 audio interface. They can be used to connect monitor headphones and output identical monitor signals. There is a reset hole on the right side of the SE2 audio interface. If the device cannot be charged or used, take a pin to press the reset hole to reset it. There is a row of adjustment knobs on the SE2. The instrument knob adjusts the instrument gain input from the 6.35mm port. Low, mid, high knob reduce or strengthen the low, mid, high pitch of the audio's input through mic 1 or mic 2. Turning to the midpoint keeps the original sound. Turn counterclockwise to reduce and turn clockwise to strengthen the pitch. Sound pad knob. Adjust the volume of the 8 sound pads. Reverb knob. Adjust the reverb depth of vocal signals input from mic 1 or mic 2. Out knob. Adjust the total output gain. Monitor knob. Adjust the monitor volume from the headphone and speaker ports. The knobs on the left are gain knob, adjust the microphone gain of mic 1. Aux knob, adjust the volume of audio signals input from Bluetooth, aux, and USB-C ports. Mic 1 and 2 push button. Push up or push down to adjust the volume of mic 1 and mic 2. There are 5 dynamic bars on the SE2, indicating the real-time volume of mic input, instrument, accompaniment, output, and monitor respectively. Each audio dynamic bar contains 9 lights that light up from the bottom to up. 1 to 6 is cyan, 7 to 8 is yellow, and 9 is red. The more lights are on, the higher the corresponding level is. The presence of red color indicates that the current sound is too loud. Please adjust the volume. There are the audio adjustment panels. The audio effects divided into 4 categories: Auto-Tune, Electron, Pitch, and Scene. Auto-Tune. When turned on, it can fix slightly off-pitch notes in vocal performances of mic 1 or mic 2. Electron. Short touch to switch between 12-level sound effects. Long press can also turn it off. Pitch. Short touch to switch between 6 sound effects: female, male, baby, monster, robot, and electronic. Long press can also turn it off. Scene. Short touch to switch between room, stage, hall, host, MC, and KTV. Long press can also turn it off. KTV, hall, stage, and room scene can be adjusted to reverb ratio by the reverb knob. The battery indicator indicates the battery power and charging status of the SE2. The SE2 can be used for approximately 7 hours of continuous use when fully charged. The Bluetooth indicator is used to indicate the Bluetooth status. Flashes when Bluetooth is on and not connected. You can find 7RIM's 7Caster SE2 in your phone's Bluetooth settings and click Connect. Keeps lighting after connected successfully. The 48-volt indicator light keeps lighting when the 48-volt phantom power of input 1 is turned on. The SE2 has 6 function buttons. Dry sound, turn off all sound effects temporarily and output only the dry sound recorded by the microphone. Music only, remove the vocals and the background music and reserve only the music part. Mute, mic and instrument outputs are muted. Ducking, automatically lower the volume of background music to highlight vocals. Loop back, the audio output from the USB-C port can be recorded and output to the computer via USB-C port. After turning the function off, the audio input from USB-C port can be monitored, but cannot output to the computer via the USB-C port. Denoise. Automatically filter the background noise from the mic 1 or mic 2 audio signal. The SE2 has 8 sound pads, including 4 preset sound effects and 4 customized sound effects. Applause, cheering, laughter, funny. Customized sound effects. Long press to start recording. The button light flashes during recording. Short press to stop recording. It can record up to 15 seconds and automatically stop recording after 15 seconds. After recording, short press the button to play the recorded audio. The previous audio will be overwritten after re-recording. The next section describes how to connect the SE2 audio interface to your device. Connect the microphone. The microphone can be connected through the XLR and 6.35mm composite interface. When connecting a condenser microphone, please turn on 48-volt phantom power. When connecting a dynamic microphone, please turn up the input 1 gain knob. You can also connect to wired lavalier mic or wireless mic with a 3.5mm interface through mic 2 interface. Please note that when connecting wireless microphone, please adjust the microphone to mono output. Connect instrument. You can connect guitar, bass, and other instruments through the 6.35mm instrument port. You can connect the smartphone or computer via the 3.5mm TRS and TRRS aux port and Bluetooth for audio signal input. If the device has a 3.5mm port, it is recommended to connect the device through this way to input audio signals. You can connect smartphones or computers through the USB-C and out 1 or 2 ports to output audio signals. With the USB-C to USB-C or USB-A 2-in-1 audio cable, you can connect phones, tablets, computers with USB-C ports, and computers with USB-A ports. With the 3.5mm TRRS to TRRS audio cable, you connect to phones, tablets, and laptops with a 3.5mm TRRS port. And if the phone does not have a 3.5mm port, please purchase the 3.5mm TRRS to USB-C or Lightning adapter cable by yourself. You can use the USB-C, out 1 and out 2 ports to output audio to 3 devices simultaneously. As needed, please use the knobs to adjust the SE2 audio interface, turn on its sound effects, or use other functions. Thanks for watching.